talking in the background, that's people in there. Oh my god, this will get ruined. Starting with my worst category. Please help me. No. There's drama going on in the background. Hope this ends. Starting in the worst category. It's definitely not book or cake. The worst category. There will be 3 people in the worst category. Not even hello. There's a nail person in the worst category. I actually expected you, Rocco. Rocco Bucko. You're the only one that thinks you're barf a lot, and there's drama going on with my baby sister and this kid named Ian. If you see this, you might see this public playlist. Then you might see it. I don't know. So what? Let's go. Let's get to the second person of the worst category. The second person in the worst category, and there's some people talking. Second person in the worst category. It's gotta be Grasso. Has to be Grassi. Who even cares about? Who even cares about a literal grass bucko? That's my sister screaming because this kid is named Ian, hitting everyone. Hitting me and my sister included. My 2 sisters included. You should be in prison for that. Not a kid in juvenile hall. Next on the bus category. If you see this tier list, it might be public, maybe. Next is the worst category. Pot. Let me explain. Let me explain. I'm becoming a lazy man. A lazy person. There's nothing around. Go and be safe and sit alive. Why did absolutely nothing wrong? Possibly do out in BFB falls. That's where one would be out. If I have my way, I'll probably put probably 60. Whatever. So 77, 76, 75. Yo, I am definitely gonna make some people mad. I think I'm gonna make people mad. Next on the category. Gotta be you, Mr. Eighth-Ball. Wait. Let me explain myself. Eighth-Ball is just a team leader, right? And then he's trying to do the opposite thing what the golf ball says here, and these are all my images right away. Okay, I'm dead. I'm the weight. Speaking of the weight, it's freaking Black Hole. Black Hole man. Black Hole used to be like right here, this ain't great, but now he isn't. How unfortunate. By the way, it's almost 11 p.m. and I'm recording this with my phone at 23%. Are you gonna die? And then I had to get a new thingy. Then I had to get a new thing. Especially this TV in here, because I'm in a different house. Okay, speaking of my yapping, let me go. Next one, my category has got to be like fiery. Okay, fiery got to be in this category. I understand him winning the first season and and BFDI 25. The reason why I put fiery in there, damn, my bases just run away from him. The reason why I put fire here because Leafy, but he rejected Leafy out of the gym. Ow. How do I stop him? This kid is annoying. Next on the mech category is Bell. Got to be a man. It's got to be a man. This. Next on the category has got to be lollipop. Ooh, lollipop step up to being in the worst category, to being in the meh category. Oh my god. You sound. That's the favorite line of lollipop. Meh is good enough. On YouTube, don't do line hunts because I'm saying someone's name here. He's 3 and he's hitting everyone. This is my last person in the mech category. And the mech category has got to be loser. Ooh, loser being in the adored category. Oh my god, fall out to that. A real life loser just is straight. Is like a douchebag. I don't know, I'm not gonna be very good at explaining things. Next on the good category. Yep, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. Be 6 people on each one. On the good category, I'm gonna have to put Bombi. I know Bombi got eliminated as he bought 12. Rip Bombi. Some reason Pillow isn't in the hate not in the worst category. You will see later which placement Pillow will get. I don't know what I could put Pillow at. Probably somewhere right here somewhere. But I still have so many left. Maybe I gotta put some people on here. Let me speedrun this. Blocky goes on again. Bubble goes on there. Bubble goes on. May as well. Basically too. They speedrunning this, bro. Corny goes on good. Much better than Fiery at this moment. I'm guessing he will probably win this. And also Gaggy. Gotta be here. Gonna be in the mega category. 10 people each. No. Because I gotta be in a good category. Gotta get a speedrunner. Throws needs to be on a good category. I need to speedrun this loud. No. Take this. Till it's going on a good category. Wow, I thought Pillow was gonna be right here. The 3 people that's down here. Come on, put Pillow right here. And then Eggy not good as on, well. Actually, speedrunning this. This is gonna be part 1. Part 2 will release soon.